morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about chromatography. This is included in your syllabus about chromatography. So at first we should know what is chromatography. Can anybody tell me what is chromatography? Any one of you? Technique to separate two different solutions or two different pigments. We use this process in order to separate two different solutions, or also in order to know their RH factor. Next, for this we take a chromatographic paper in a chromatographic chamber. The glass chamber is known as, this is made of a glass, and this chamber is known as a chromatographic chamber, in which we include a chromatographic paper just like this. It is a kind of a chromatographic paper in which we, by measuring an appropriate size, we cut it in the shape of a straight rectangle, and then we put a line of about 3 cm from where a center point has been given. A center point will be appointed from where, in which the solution which is used to be separated, or in order to know the RH factor, the separator is put in a simple dot, and after that it will rise up against the capillary action of the cellulose paper. From where you can see the chromatographic paper has a spot in it, in which the chromatographic jar contains a solvent, that is a mixture of ethanol and HCl, and it contains a spot of mixture in a gas jar, and this is known as a filter paper. Now let us proceed for the process. In this we are going to separate the pigments of these flowers, for which we used to crush it, or we have to crush it into small pieces or small fragments, for which we use the mortar pestle. This is the mixture of the pigments of flowers, plus we have given a small amount of alcohol in it in order to get in the form of a liquid. We are going to filter it by using a Whatman filter paper. The pigment is taken in a capillary tube, in which we are given a line and we are putting a center spot in it.